Dorbyworks. Today I want to show you our Gy6 plug and play wiring harness system and show you what it's about. Our harnesses are packaged with everything you need in your wiring system. These are the same wire harnesses that we use to build our own custom Honda Ruckus bikes. Here's a custom bike we'll be building for Danny out in Michigan, and here's the wire harness, completely plug and play. Nothing to solder, no tape, zero tape. You never want to put any sticky electrical tape because it heats up in your bike and melts all over your paint. It sucks. If you're gonna go through all this trouble to build a custom bike and have it clean and powder coated and painted, you want everything to be neat, to be organized. Our system right here is not fully pinned because we're gonna run it through the frame and then pin it. However, you can still install these wire systems without tucking the wiring if it's something you're not trying to do. Still be clean. Hey, how's it going? Showing you the Gy6 plug and play wiring system for your Honda Ruckus or Met-Ruck or any conversion you're using with the Gy6. We make this harness in-house here at Dorbyworks, fully wired by Liz Rucks. Here are some of the details. Everything is 100% plug and play down to your ignition plug. It is all labeled. As you turn it on, you see all our wiring systems include a digital speedometer. Reason why is you want to know all the details of your bike to be reliable and to be safe. We offer the COSO. We also offer Trail Tech. We prefer the COSOs because it has the fuel, has your voltage, has kilometers, odometer, has mile per hour adjustments. We offer add-ons with the tachometer, and with the fuel sensor, we offer an option to get the Honda OEM fuel sensor to change the one in your Ruckus to this one. That way you can see incrementally how much fuel you have. Everything is wired and pre-plugged, pre-pinned. You don't have to do any soldering, pinning. You don't have to patch anything up with sticky tape, electrical tape. No butt connectors. All of this is included in our package, and different options are available. We send you out a coil, spark plug, and here is our beast tail light that we designed. Also available as an option. Has a really cool turn signals, brake lights. We have them in a red and smoked option. Here's your starter and ground for the engine and the frame. Starter relay. We include stainless steel start buttons. We also have an auxiliary output. That way you can add other options. When your bike is not running, you can turn on things like a radio or have a battery charger or a phone charger. But just want to show you guys some of these details, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Message us at dorbyworks@hotmail.com or on Instagram, Dorbyworks1. On the next video, I'm looking to show you guys how to install this on a bike.